Okay, here we are with China's puppies. And they are 7 weeks old now. Everyone is spoken for. And they'll be leaving for their new homes in a week or two, depending on when people can get out here and when the nanny can get out here. So we've got little Maisie there jumping after the toy. And Momo with her.
This is Marley.
Marley jumping. And Momo with him. And then there came Maisie, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Maisie's got this.
And Mikey next to her, the little tricolor boy. So Marley's got the spot of color between his ears on the top of his head. And Maisie's got the spot of color on her back. And Momo's got the ring of color around his tail. And Mikey's being lazy. Mikey!
No, I'm not.
Mikey! Why are you being so lazy?
Oh, I thought you were talking on me. Mikey.
Mikey's being lazy. He just wants to lay down. Sit there, lay down. You want to play? Want to play? He gets so picked on. There he goes. You gonna have a bite?
Look at this, they're playing tug of war with it.
Three of them got hold of it.
So cute. Give it a shake.
That's funny.
Boys. My puppies are playing too.
I'm going to do my Facebook post.
Hello, kiddos. What are you doing down there? When you come up that close, I have a hard time. Yes, I have a hard time getting you. Yes. Hello. Hello. Hello, Maisie.
You got an itch?
We're all going to gather here now.
Mikey's
Marley
so
up
much
there.
cuter since his hair grew out.
Yeah, they're all so darling. Come on.
What does that mean?
Get up! Get up! Get up! Come on! I wonder where that orange ball is. That was kind of fun to see them chase after that thing.
I see the bumblebee, I don't see the ball.
I need to buy some more balls. Oh, don't you be chewing on my throw. You stinkers.
What's the matter, Mikey? What's the matter, Mikey? That butt spread out. They grow so fast.
They do. Now Mikey's gonna play with it because nobody else is. What are you doing down here, huh? What are you doing down here? Huh, Momo? Go play. Go play. Go play. So I'll play with my foot. Oh, Mikey wants to play with my foot now, huh? I'm just tapping the... You think you're going to go after my foot? Is that what it is? What? What? What, Momo? What? What, Momo? You're silly.
Right. I think Mikey is the calmest one.
Yeah. You know, sometimes their little personalities come out after they're away from the litter because they
Oh,
don't
yeah.
feel like they're
No
being picked
competition.
on, and yeah, there's no competition. And all of a sudden their little personalities will just come to life. I've seen that over and over again with the littlest one in the litter.
Sandy did that.
Yeah. It'd be interesting to see how Sandy reacts to you. She didn't want anything to do with me, but Pepper, oh my gosh, because Pepper grew up here, Pepper was all about me. But Sandy, she's like, nope, I want my mom. She just wanted Carrie.
These guys are chewing on my feet.
That's macho. Chewing on your feet. Marley.
Verse 4. Oh, on the potty park.
On the potty park. Good.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Oh, that's her again.
Yeah, good girl, Maisie. Good girl. Oh, here comes Momo. Momo's got a lot to say tonight. Whoa! That was, run for it. Did Mikey get jumped?
Yeah.
Did you jump him? Huh, Marley? You're silly.
And she chewing on the cover.
Yeah.
Hey, that's my pants.
Momo.
Play. Little playtime. Little playtime.
Mikey just attacked my toes.
Ooh, you got sharp little teethers. Yes, you do. You got sharp teethers. Where'd the hen go? Where'd the hen go? Huh, Marley? Where'd the hen go? Ow. Fighting pretty hard there. Right you are.
All right. So there you have China's puppies, 7 weeks old and raring to go.